Unity is a principle of design. It teaches us how we can join parts together. For example, the pizza. One slice is just one piece or one part, but when you put them all together, you get the whole pizza. One brick is just one part of the whole brick wall. It takes many parts to make a whole. Unity in art can be created by grouping things together like many balloons, making things the same color like the examples of the flowers, grouping similar things together like crayons and pencils and paintbrushes, all things you can create artwork with, or making things tints of the same color. Same color, different tints. All of these examples show unity in artwork.